have an Outlook offline address book file but no way to open it because Outlook isn't installed? Introducing SysTools OAB Viewer Tool. Best tool to effortlessly open, read, and preview Outlook OAB contacts without installing Outlook. Key features of the software. Open and view OAB contacts. Access and read the complete list of Outlook OAB contacts for free. Add file or folder. Add either a single OAB data file or an entire folder containing multiple files. Preview contact details. Read and view all major fields of the UDetails OAB contacts data file. Sort and switch views. Sort contacts and toggle between different file viewing modes on the preview screen. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools OAB Viewer Tool. Click the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. Once you launch the tool, you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. Now, let's start the viewer process. At the top left corner of the screen, you will find the Add File option. Click on the Add File to upload your Outlook address book. After clicking, a pop-up window will appear with two options. File option. Select this option if you want to add a single OAB file. Folder option. Choose this if you want to add an entire folder containing multiple OAB files. Click on the three dots to browse and select the file. Navigate to the location where your OAB file or folder is saved. Select it, then press the Open button. After selection, click on the Add button to successfully upload the files into the software. Once added, you will see all the uploaded files listed in the left panel of the interface. Click on the added OAB file from the panel. All your contacts detailed preview on the right panel showing fields like full name, company, phone numbers and more. Click any contact and view the full entry in the bottom with name, nickname, birth date, spouse, multiple phone numbers, addresses, and email. And that's it. That's how you can quickly view and manage your Outlook OAB contacts without any hassle. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.